Hello folks. As you can see from the title, I'm an unboxing channel now. So I bought a blind box on AmiAmi, one of those pre-order boxes that are randomized basically. So I can get a bunch of good stuff, or I could get a bunch of trash. Let's hope for good stuff. Right. So let's open it up. There's the part where you skip the video. Ooh. Starting us off with a poster. It's an epitome of AmiAmi. I have lots of those posters. Let's focus on this for a bit. That's the winter version, which is kind of great. I already have that though. In fact, I'm gonna put it up. I'm doing this completely unscripted. Okay, starting us off are a bunch of paper. Voila! More paper. No hidden message this time. Nothing written on it, you know. Just put it all in trash. And I think this is it. Oh, yeah, this is it. So first layer, we have a bunch of cards. We'll look to that later. Some stickers from Cardcaptor Sakura. Quite topical because I just watched the first episode and I'd say it was a hella nostalgical feeling. There's a lot of things that I miss, a lot of things that I remember. And more of this, what is this? Precure? Yeah, it's definitely Precure. Precure Button. I don't know this character. Like I said, it's a blind box. You don't know what you're gonna get. And then the next one is, what is this? Oh, Idolmaster. Okay, so I don't know what this is. It says Dark Prediction. I have a Dark Prediction. It's gonna be a porn collection, but we'll find out later. On to the second layer. Great. This is where it's getting saucy, guys. Look, not much. We have a bunch of collectibles from Idolmaster again. Fate Hollow Atroxia. I haven't actually played the game, so I don't know much of these things, but Charm. Speaking of which, I had a charm as well, another Sailor Moon charm somewhere. I don't know where it is right now. Keychains again. This is from K-On! What is this? It's freaking Disney Princess for some reason. Evangelion, another collectible figure. Again, we'll see what's inside later. Key holder from... No, I don't know which anime it came from either. Third layer. Wow. Third layer, they gave me a pack of rubbish bag. Look, they gave me... Oh no, it's not. It's a playmat. I don't play card games, but it's a playmat. From Girls and Panzer. This is actually nice. Kankale. I don't know this character though. Ooh, this one feels very hefty. Kyonkara. This is from Gundam Destiny. I haven't seen much Gundam. Let's get a closer look. I think we should start from the smaller thing. We'll start with this thing right. She's not much. In fact, she looks absolutely ugly. Right, next one we have, okay Google, K-On! Anime Teacher. There you have it. Saoka Sensei. I think it's one of those phone charms. So looks pretty darn cute. Next up, yeah, it's just an acrylic keychain of the character. I don't even know. I don't want to bother. Okay. That's from Precure, but it says Cure Twinkle. Yeah, it's a pretty decent. Oh, pretty decent button. Next up, we have Sailor Moon charm. You got this nice little bow. Hang on, I'm not sure which character it is. Definitely does look a bit nice. Next one. Oh no, this is from a card game. I'm not sure which card game it is. Chaos. God damn, why do I have two Felixes? I don't like Felix. Here, we got a couple of best characters right there. Where's Amelia? She was right there. Thing is, it's based on the scenes they had. Well, I haven't seen ReZero, by the way. I know it's good. I'm not hating on it. I just don't have the time. I do like Beatrice though, and Rem. Everyone likes a Rem. Next one we have is an Idolmaster collectible. We have, I don't know this character. We have Stand in a Sprue. I think they know what their target audience is like. I don't know which character it is. Oh, there it is. So Ritsuko Akisuki. Here we have our next figure. Oh man, we have Mio. It's a little weird sculpt. quite weird, to be honest. Not really sure what they were going for with that kind of sculpt, but yeah, what do you say? It's a collectible. Next up, we have the Fate Atroxia. Oh no, we got Bazette. I mean, she was definitely badass. It's like an anti-noble plasm, anti-noble phantasm, noble phantasm. That's her ability. Some Evangelion. Oh, it's smaller than I expected. Oh wow, that's shiny. That's hella shiny. Oh hell yeah! Like, dang, that sculpt for a small figure like this is really good. Details on the face are really well sculpted as well. And especially that painting. You can see how shiny it is. Right. This is definitely going on display. Ta-da-da! Gundam Seed. Now, this actually seems a lot more than I expect. The figure's build is this soft kind of rubber plastic thingy. Everything seems loose. But more than that, she has extra stuff. She has a replaceable faceplate and some extra arms as well for some posability. Moving on, Mamiya, the Footsuit Life ship. Whoa, let me tell you, she's hefty. She's got some nice assets. Look at that, she's got her butt shaped on the assets right there. And it's actually a very nice figure. It would look great on your display sets. And ooh, by the way, these gold bars, they feel like gold. Look how big she is. Yeah, the stickers! Oh my god. Am I sorry? I'm not sorry. Screw you. They're basically just notes. Frigging notes, man. And they got a bunch of, I think these are stickers. Yeah, this is stickers. These are stickers. I'm not sure where they would go, but definitely a good pile of stuff. The dark prediction. Let's enjoy ourselves, I guess. Oh, this is a prop from the anime. No, this is just not just a prop. This is a bloody art book. They gave us an art book. I don't want an art book. I already have an art book. Yeah, that's a very nice quality of paper. And lastly, of course, the playmat. Oh no, this is not just a playmat. I think you could use this for a mouse pad, but it feels nice. Sweet, sweet rubber. You could put this on things you don't want slipping around, like the bunch of figures right there. Yeah, Girls Unfound Zero Duff film. I watched the film. It was very nice. I like the action. Very nice. Yeah, it's a pretty nice haul for just 25 USD, by the way. Not including the shipping, but these were all for 25 US dollars. Oh, it's almost 26. Maybe I'll do more openings, unboxings. I don't really like unboxings. And I'll see you again in another video.